So this is just one of those days where nothing seems to want to go right. I finally got my hinges. There's the box, a week late. And so they're the correct type of hinge, but unfortunately they're not the ideal hinge. They are stainless steel, but they don't have the real nice finish to them. These are Hillman hinges. They're a heavier duty hinge and they have a removable pin. And the hinges that I liked were the National Hardware, but I couldn't find a place to get those things. So anyway, I have a box of Hillman hinges here. And I was expecting to be able to just do a simple swap out on the hinges, but of course that is not the way it is going to work. And just like nothing else is working today, neither is my selfie stick. So let me just show you quickly what's going on, and we'll call it a video. All right, so I have these here are the Hillman hinges. It's a nice looking hinge. It's got a little bit of a polish to it. And okay, that's not a good one to look at there. And that's what they look like. They have a nice finish to it. Let's look at this one here too. There's better light here. So there's the hinge. It does not have a removable pin, but that's not important to me. What I liked is that it matched more or less the finish of the knobs. And you can kind of see the finish on them there. There's the National Hardware signature embossed into the metal. They did a nice print of the hinge. And you see how they fit almost exactly right in where the old brass hinges were. The only difference being the brass hinges had 3 screws, a center screw, and these only have the 2 outer screws. But that's fine. The kit comes with a slightly longer screw, so it's got some good holding power. So here is the problem now. And also, you see, it's a direct replacement hinge. The door closes, operates just perfectly fine. All you had to do was screw that hinge in, and it was ready to go, ready to rumble. All right, so here is the Hillman hinge. You see how it has, it looks more like a door hinge. It's got multiple wraps of metal around the hinge pin. And the finish on it is not as refined. It's not as nice as the National Hardware hinge. And I had one here, and darned if it hasn't just walked away on me. And so here's the trick. Okay, so you see how these ones here, they fasten right into the slot that was there prior with the brass hinges. No work needed to be done. All right, so here is these hinges. Okay, well, they are a deeper hinge, so I have to take off the 1/4 of an inch or so, 3/16 of wood that was here, and the hinge is the full height thickness of the face frame on the door too. Okay, so I got that. Then there's the next problem, is that these hinges have a little thicker of a metal, and they stand off a little farther from the now why am I getting this stupid power notice? Running low on power, obviously. More couldn't think of anything else to go wrong today. So anyway, I'm having to change the cutout on the face frames and the doors to fit, except that hinge to work with these doors and face frames. So anyway, there's what an old door looked like. Sorry about the focus, it's just a cell phone camera. And this is with the Hillman hinge. And so the hinges, they don't have as nice of a finish, but they look okay. They're just a little coarser. So anyway, the other thing about them is because they are a little different in their positioning of the holes, then I had to go around and plug all these holes, stick some wood and glue it in there, and then I have to create a new hole for the new pin, the new screw hole on the new hinges. So I had to do that with 48 different hinge locations around the kitchen here and in the bathroom, so you can imagine how much I was enjoying doing that. But anyway, so instead of being a quick and simple changeover from the brass to the stainless, it became a big job, and it's probably going to take me a day and a half or 2 days to do what should have taken just a couple of hours. So anyway, I'm stuck with it. This is $260 worth of stainless steel hinges, and yeah, we're just gonna have to bite it and work with it. Okay, so there we go. That's the hinges that I bought. What do they call it? I can't even read it without my glasses on, and I don't even have my glasses. Just not my day. Okay, so that is the happy day of bad hinge replacement. Okay, so anyway, that's what I'm going to be doing. Reworking the door frames and doors, gluing wood in and patching the old screw holes, and then creating new screw holes. Okay, so, all right, I will see you on the next video, and that may feature the return of the unknown mechanic. He's graciously coming back up here to help me for another week. We're coming down to the wire, and I'm just really trying to get this done. I've been working for like 4 solid months on this thing, and I am so burned out I can't stand it. Okay, I will see you on the next video. What else have I got going here? I had, at least the washer dryer is working out well. The fence has turned out well. And the block wall, all of that turned out nicely. Still got to bring in all the gravel for the yard here, and I got to get out on that pile of dirt and distribute it throughout the area here. Just kind of spread it out and then bring the gravel in on top of it. And the shower, obviously I'm thrilled with that. That thing is working awesome. And that is the new mirror I have. It's actually 2 mirrors. One is 15 by 26, the other is 20 by 26. And then I will put a nice light fixture above that, 36-inch wide fixture, so it's going to fit together just about right. Okay, I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Leave your comment, sympathy, likes, questions, and don't forget to subscribe. I can use more subscribers. All right, see you on the next.